Why your law firm is suffering because your paralegals and case managers getting your medical records for you. Before I get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe, follow along, where I will make sure that you know how to scale your firm with virtual assistants. My name is Ethen Ostroff. I'm the CEO of Turnkey Ops, a virtual assistant staffing company for law firms. So, if you have paralegals or case managers doing things that are outside of the most important things that you are paying them for, I describe case managers and paralegals as medium pay employees. They are doing tasks that they must do, but if they are doing tasks that they shouldn't do, your whole law firm is suffering. Your cases are moving slower. You're not getting the tasks done that you need to. Now, a good example of this is getting medical records. Getting medical records is a gritty, sometimes 10 calls to a provider kind of job. And if your cases are waiting because your case managers or your paralegals are the ones that you rely on to go get medical records, that is an irresponsible way to run your law firm. The reason why it's irresponsible is because they have more important shit to do. It's that clear. If they're not answering discovery, your cases fall behind. If they're not drafting pleadings, your cases fall behind. If they're not checking in with your clients, they may not show up to treatment. They need to be focusing on the things that you brought them in for, which is checking in with clients, most important, proper communication with clients. I'm sure you're getting fired for not communicating enough with your clients because your case managers and your paralegals are too busy doing everything else that they shouldn't be doing. What you want to do is look at what your case managers and paralegals do day to day, evaluate their tasks. If they're sending letters of rep, if they're mailing documents, if they're getting medical records, if they're getting deck pages, if they're getting police reports, you are not following an assembly line approach, and Henry Ford would not be very pleased with your law firm. If you change your law firm outlook from my case managers, my paralegals will do everything to get these cases moved, to an assembly line approach, and you segment one task at a time and delegate it to virtual assistants, your law firm will scale much more effectively, because I want to be very frank about this. You can hire 4 to 5 virtual assistants for the same cost as a case manager or paralegal. That's the truth. And if you hire 4 to 5 additional people who build a department for medical records, bill balances, settlement memos that they get drafted, getting releases, getting deck pages, the list goes on. They can knock out those admin tasks that clog up your workflow, and they can get your cases moved so that you can get paid way faster. Now, if you are not doing those things, your clients are the ones who suffer. That's why I started this company, because plaintiffs deserve fast, adequate, good communication and great representation, and they get better representation when you are more nimble. Stop being spoiled by your $1 million clicks and focus on your operations as if you had the margins of a defense firm. If you start doing that, your business will be healthier than it currently is. Even if you have $51 million cases that you're going to settle this year, you could probably do more volume if you look at your tasks the way that I'm describing. High paid, medium paid, low paid tasks. Delegate your low paid tasks. If you do that effectively, your case managers will thank you. Your paralegals will thank you, because guess what? They don't want to place 35 calls a day to medical facilities. They just don't. And if you're making them do that, you're part of the problem too. If you have any questions, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along. You can schedule a call with me to get yourself virtual assistants for your law firm. I'm happy to help consult and hop on the phone with you. Thanks so much.